Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In this tutorial I will show you how you can make a skin, or you can upload the skin or download the skin into Awesome. So first of all, let's see what skin do you have in your game. If you have the default skin, you really have to change that skin, because most of the players, if not all of them, like not the players but normal players, but the pro players have different skin than the default one. Well, why do they really change the skin? Well, basically because if you went to any map, the game like looks kind of ugly, the cursor is kind of bad, the circles are like too huge, and sliders are so bad as well. Even like the score and the HP bar, the everything about this, like I can't really play the game using this skin. So how can you really make your own skin? Basically what you have to do first is to go to options, go to skin defaults, and open current skin folder. After you do so, you will find that this skin is empty because the default skin really doesn't have any template in here. So you will have to upload a new skin to and then applicate what you did, applicate what they have. Like the skin will have a lot of files, and you will be changing each file as you like. For example, let's go ahead and open also skins, as you can see here, and let's go to the first website, as you see. Now after we open this website, just download whatever skin you feel like enjoying playing, or just download whatever. Okay, and for example, let's choose this one. Let's remove this ad and click on download. So as you can see, it's downloading now. So I will wait a couple of seconds, and now we will drag it into our game just like so. And as you can see, the skin has changed and it is so much better. So let's check, for example, this thing, the game inside. As you will see, the circles will be so much cooler, the effect, the even sliders, everything about the game will be so much better. And that's the benefit of the skins. They will help you really improve inside the game, so make sure to download the skin. For example, let's see something bad. For example, you didn't really like the design of these circles, you wanted to make your own design. What you can do is you go again to options, open skin folder, and from here you go to any circle, like 1, 2, 3. You have a bunch of circles. You will be editing them using Photoshop or whatever tool you have, and after you finish, you will drag them in here and change them with the same names. Like if you have default one in here, you will delete it and replace it with default one of your own. So yeah, that was it with today's tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.